All the traveling through America gets exhausted. I mean, you have to find a parking spot every day for overnight parking. It's not allowed everywhere. And, Smiley here has to figure out what we're gonna do that day. So we got a message from Mark and Laura through Instagram, and they know what it's like to be on the road. They also travel 6 months a year, and the other 6 months they stay in their house in Florida. So they invited us to come at their place and to regroup, recharge our battery, and hang out with them. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to Mark and Laura in Englewood, Florida.
I'm very excited to meet new people. It's always a little bit scary, but I'm looking forward for it. They're gonna make chicken tacos and sangria for us. So that sounds awesome. So we can't wait to meet them.
About a hug.
So van life is never lonely. The world is full and filled with friends who are dying to meet you.
Days later.
So this is the spot where we arrived 2 days ago or 3 days ago.
Yeah, it was last Friday.
And we did a lot of fun stuff. We did go on a canoe ride, but it was very difficult because there was a lot of wind. Well, it was my first time. What else?
What else? Well, we're kind of the tryout guys because they have a nice spot in their backyard or on the side of their house. We can park here as long as we want. We have facilities like Wi-Fi and electricity, but they want to see if it goes well, and maybe later on they'll rent out the spot to other people, other RVers or van life who want to stay a couple of days in Englewood in Florida.
Perfect spot.
Yesterday we did get some plants and small trees for in their yard, and today we're having a day off, and tomorrow we're gonna help them.
Sorry, the camera fell.
Sorry for the interruption. We're back. So tomorrow we'll help with planting the trees and the small other plants in the front yard, the backyard, the side of the yard to make it look more prettier. And probably they want to set up a lattice so they'll to give people some more privacy here. And they have a small patio where you can sit. There's a picnic table, there are some chairs. So it's a pretty neat place to be.
Awesome.
Awesome.
And we're gonna make it even more beautiful with all the plants.
Yeah, and our hosts, Laura and Mark, are awesome.
Best.
Very sweet and lovely people.
Tomorrow.
Somebody worked?
No.
Yes, you did.
I did.
Look at your hands. Look at my hands. Behind us there's a bald eagle nest.
Yeah, but it's far away and the trail is closed, so we won't disturb the bald eagle. But this is what it looks like.
Well, you can see the nest from here, but
Far away.
it's far away, and I think it's a big nest and he can hide himself inside of it.
In 1782, the United States Congress selected the bald eagle as our national symbol to represent strength, conquest and freedom. Bald eagles are large, beautiful birds that can have an 8-foot wide wingspan. They thrive in quiet isolation using tall, mature trees for nesting. Nesting trees are used for many years. Eagle nests can be 20 feet thick and almost 10 feet across and are the largest bird nest in North America.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying.
You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
So the last couple of weeks we did some maintenance on the van because sometimes it's needed. For instance, the leaf springs were making a squeaking noise, scraping when we hit a bump. So I put some white lithium silicone between the leaf springs.
Another huge project was the stickering of the car. I made the design myself and we ordered it in the Netherlands. Somebody took it for us to the USA and then it started the work.
I like what you've done here.
I had the idea that the people behind us didn't notice us, so that's why I installed some extra lights on the roof.
Wow, that is very interesting. Please tell me more.
Hardest part was to get rid of all the stickers. Oh! It took me forever. And then after the stickers were removed, and then the glue. That was a bummer.
Alrighty then.
The water drain was leaking, so I installed a new valve.
Oh wow!
I installed some side markers, so we're clearly visible on the road.
But what I'd really like to do is something extraordinary. Something big, something mega, something copious, something capacious, something kajunga.
We participated in an Instagram giveaway and we won a Runs to Go Wi-Fi extender. From Winegard. We already had one solar panel of 100 watts, a flexible one, but we installed a second one in Vermont of 150 watts. And last time we were in West Palm Beach, we removed the 100 watts and installed a second 150 watts solar panel. So we have 300 watts.
Ooh la la!
But wait! There's more!
And the dash cam. Guys! Enough! We're still in Inglewood with Mark and Laura, and within a couple of days we'll prepare the van for our next journey, and probably we'll first go to Tampa, and from there we'll go to Orlando, and from Orlando we'll visit some friends in St. Augustine, and of course it's also nice to see something of St. Augustine itself. But first we're gonna explore this nice beautiful park in the area of Inglewood.
Thanks for watching 2 Blondes 2 USA. Please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done yet.